What is up, ladies and gents? So in today's video, we're going to be discussing what Swiftcoin is, as well as a price prediction for the near future. So over the next few days and weeks here on Swiftcoin, as well as my 2025 price target for Swiftcoin. So be sure to stay tuned for all of that. Of course, if you're a new viewer here, then welcome to the channel. If you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. If you're a returning viewer, then welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you all here. On top of all of that as well, if you're looking for a great place to buy or trade Swiftcoin, then look no further than the MEX exchange. They have some of the lowest fees on the market and they don't require KYC to get started. And on top of spot trading for Swiftcoin, they even have futures trading available here. For such a small market cap coin, that's pretty impressive. So of course, if you guys want to get started buying or trading Swiftcoin, then click on the link in the description down below. Fill out your details and press sign up. It literally takes less than a minute to get started. And just like that, you're able to dive in with trading straight away, guys. So of course, as always, thank you so much for your support. Let's get started on Swiftcoin. So Swiftcoin it is, of course. I noticed Swiftcoin after a lot of you were commenting Swiftcoin in my previous videos. I literally asked you guys what videos you wanted to see, and you guys were saying check out Swiftcoin. So here we are right now. If you do want to see any other videos, again, let me know down in the comments. I'll be happy to check them out for you. But now we're on Swiftcoin, and first and foremost, it's a pretty impressive coin, I must say. Like the website looks like it's a trading bot at first glance, you know, but obviously they have AI integrated. They're at the intersection between crypto and AI, which is obviously quite a hot topic to be in. On top of that as well, if we go on the about page here on CoinMarketCap, one thing really stood out to me about Swiftcoin, and it's this sentence here, and it's the first ever AI token featured on Coinbase. And I was like, huh? Because it's at 121 million market cap right now, but it's the first ever AI token featured on Coinbase. That is a huge feat. So, you know, that is really, really bullish in my opinion. So yeah, I was reading this and I was a bit astonished. And yeah, they seem to be trying to do everything with AI and crypto. They're really trying to kind of knit together that intersection between them. AI service payments, AI powered swaps, AI powered trading bots, etc., you name it. So at first glance, this is looking pretty good. Of course, they have a big community on Twitter as well. I was scrolling down through Swiftcoin and there's definitely a lot of people involved already. So that's really, really good to see. That's what we want if we're going to do really well this bull run. Of course, just looking at the chart though and kind of predicting where we think we can go in the shorter term. What I'm seeing right now on the chart, in the short term, on the 1 hour chart we are on right now, is something like this already. This is a consolidation. No matter how you see this, the prices are going up and down in this short space of time here. And this right now, my friends, is a pennant pattern, I believe. Of course, a pennant pattern is a bullish structure. We expect this to break out to the upside. And the price target from such a pattern is the length of the move going in. And obviously this move was fairly parabolic, so we expect that to come out to wherever we see the breakout from this resistance that is forming. And of course, whatever the price target is depends on where we see that breakout. If we break out this time tomorrow, for example, you can see the price target here is at roughly 4.9 cents on Swiftcoin. So that's something definitely to look forward to if you are holding Swiftcoin. That's a 71% upside if we do break out of this pennant. Of course, guys, just a note, we are on the short-term time frame, so things could change quite quickly. But that's what I'm seeing right now. Of course, maybe we see something like this over the next few hours. And what we want to see is a lot of momentum, something like this candle here, just this most recent 1 hour candle, pushing prices above this resistance. And then we could see 4.9 cents here. So that's one of the first things that I'm keeping my eye on. Of course, MACD at the moment is something to note because at the moment the bars are red. We are bearish on momentum, but it looks like it's going to flip over soon, and that is quite a decent buy signal there. If we do see the lines cross over on the 1 hour chart, accompanied by a breakout to the upside from this, that could be a very nice strong indicator for that next move up here on Swiftcoin. But of course, if we look at a longer time frame, momentum on here is still absolutely berserk. That's really, really good to see that we're still extremely bullish. 4 hours looking really nice as well. So, you know, the momentum on the longer time frames are still pretty good. So it's only a matter of time, in my opinion, for it to break to the upside. So good news to begin with there. Of course, let's look at this from a longer time frame and see what's going on with Swiftcoin. And let's just say I'm pretty impressed at the chart here. It seems like the last bear market didn't apply to Swiftcoin, because if you look, since Swiftcoin started in February 2022, that's really when the bear market started happening. There hasn't really been much dips here on Swiftcoin. There's been this slight downtrend that we can see here. But you know, this is quite impressive. Like, you look at the rest of cryptos, for example. I don't know, you pick one like XLM, for example. And this is what we expect to see in the bear market. Look at this, whoop. A massive dip on the price before that massive pump there. But on Swiftcoin, we didn't get much of that whatsoever. Of course, that's really good to see. Of course, maybe that's in part because it's one of the first AI coins ever to feature on Coinbase. So that's pretty impressive. Obviously, as well, we've got a very strong bullish support, multi-year support here on Swiftcoin that's basically carrying the prices in a very nice bullish direction here. You can see it's been tested on multiple occasions on the way up. Of course, as of today, that's sitting down at 0.3 cents, so literally a 90% drop if the prices would ever go down there. But you know, at the end of the day, it's still nice to have this, because if the prices do something like this, for example, then we've got a nice safety net and maybe a place for the price to charge up before a next massive leg up. So, you know, this is our long-term bullish trend here. And that's the main word, really, bullish. So that's very good. We've got these Fibonacci levels as well. So what I like to do is analyze the Fib levels on each of the pumps, these parabolic moves that we have on the way up. This first parabolic move seems to be quite important, because as you can see, the prices right now are just hovering short of the 1.618 Fib. So that there, in my opinion, is a very strong and important Fib. And that's where we could see quite a bit of resistance. So if we do break out from that short-term pennant to the upside, this could prove to be a difficult area where we might see some profit taking before the next leg up. So just something to bear in mind if you're trying to trade this. Of course, if we are able to break to the upside from this 1.618 Fib, my long-term price targets here generally go along where we could see my long-term price targets here on Swiftcoin are going to be along these Fib levels. Of course, we don't have much technical data above these prices, since we're already making new all-time highs here on Swiftcoin. So the Fib levels are what I use to predict where the price can go to in the future. And at the moment, 2.618 Fib, very important Fib in my opinion. That's sitting at 30 cents. So that's a really nice price target to have for this bull run. Of course, that's a 10x, and that would put Swiftcoin at roughly $1.2 billion market cap. If you're able to break that, then the next level up at 3.618 Fib sits just underneath $3. So that could be the second price target for this bull run. So those are two major long-term 2025 price targets that I'll be looking at. Of course, we want to see more signs in the near future that we're going to be going the length. So 5 cents is the first target for us there. Of course, if we're able to smash through that with a lot of momentum, we start heading all towards 10 cents, then that could put the likeliness of this larger price target at $3 to be more likely. But, you know, if we do see that retracement, for example, in the shorter term, then maybe that 30 cents is a nicer long-term target to have for 2025. So those are just some of my thoughts here. Of course, things are looking very bullish on the 1 hour charts here on Swiftcoin. We do have this very nice consolidation in the short term. We are by an important resistance level at 3.5 cents. So just bear that in mind. We could see some profit taking at that level and potentially a little bit of a dump, considering we have made this major move here. But if we smash through 3.5 cents, we could see 5 cents as a result of that pennant that we saw, and ultimately 30 cents as the first price target of 2025, and then $3 as the second ultimate price target of 2025. So really bullish stuff here for Swiftcoin. Thanks guys for pointing this one out, because yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised by how this one looks, particularly this up-only technology that they seem to have incorporated in their blockchain. This is yeah, really remarkable. Since 2023, you've basically been in some sort of uptrend. So great to see this, great to see it. And yeah, I really hope for the best for Swiftcoin holders. So of course, guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And do let me know down in the comments if you're holding Swiftcoin and what your price targets are for Swiftcoin. And I'll see you guys in my next video.